So your cookie, it's done toasting now. So you gotta get out of the oven. Right there, it's done toasting. Now we gotta get out of the oven. Oh, I almost forgot the oven mitt. Always keep on the oven mitt. Okay, now I'm prepared.
Doesn't that hurt?
Well, no, I'm wearing my oven mitt.
Well, take it out, man. Take it out. Just take it.
Okay, that's how you do it with the oven mitt.
Okay, today I'm going door to door selling these lovely blenders. They're like titanium steel and they never ever break. They're of the best quality, so I'm gonna see if anyone will buy these lovely utensil things. I don't know what to call them, so let's go.
1 second, hello?
Hi sir, would you like to buy a blender?
Where's the blender?
Oh shit, it's hold on.
Okay.
Right here it is. Here's your blender, do you want to buy it?
Isn't that my blender? Oh,
Shut up! So here we go. Hey, where'd that body go? Oh well. I guess I'll just keep selling blenders. Lou, I've got some blenders. Lou, you got some too? What the?
hello?
Would you like to buy a blender?
What kind of blender is it?
It's a good one. It's a good one.
Oh,
Would you like to buy it?
I have no money.
Oh well, I'm just gonna take that back. And
Ow!
Bye. Ooh. Open up! I know you're in there. Blender, sir. I'm selling them. What? Get back here! Don't throw that, idiot. Here looks like a house.
Hello?
Hi, sir. Would you like to buy this blender?
Yes.
This lovely blender.
Yes.
Okay, well then,
I want to buy
give me your
it.
money.
I want to
Give
buy
me
it.
your money.
Ow.
Give me your money.
I want to buy it. I want to, ow. I want to buy it. I just want to buy it. I want to buy it, man. I'm just like, I want to buy that blender.
Well then, buy it.
I want to buy it. I want to buy it.
Right now.
I want to buy it.
No.
I want to buy it.
No.
Look at my feet. Look at them. Look at my... Uh-oh. Ow! Ow!
Idiot.
What game is it?
Super Smash Bros.
Oh.
Hello, sir. Would you like to purchase a blender?
Get out of here.
Would you like to purchase a blender?
Get out of here.
Blender.
Stop it.
Blender.
Hey, why don't you ask those guys? They look pretty
Do
friendly.
you want a blender? They don't want a blender.
Ow!
Yes.
Idiot.
Finally got it. Yeah.
No one wants any blenders. I'm gonna go kill myself now. Bye.
That was pointless.
That was the last scene.
I don't know, though. I think my camera's kind of better.
So today I'm going door to door.
I don't. Oh, it's recording. Never mind.
Restart it. Restart it.
What?
Press the stop button. Here, where'd the body go? Oh well. I'm gonna keep selling some blenders. I need my blender.
What? Aren't we gonna go? I want some chips. Screw up. Where are we gonna go now? God damn it! Do I stop recording?
Yes.